Hi everyone, my name's Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This week we're going to focus on Roll for Your Life, Candyman, and as the name implies, we're going to make some gingerbread men, except these guys are a little bit more aggressive and a little bit more broken apart. Here we go! Did you grow up making gingerbread men? If so, these are not the happy little ones that you made as kids. These guys mean business. This is a sturdy dough that doesn't need refrigeration, which is always a plus. Start by mixing together 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, a half a cup brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons granulated sugar until just combined. Try not to over whip it to avoid getting too much air in the batter, which can make them spread. Next, add 1 large egg at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/3 cup molasses, and mix until just combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 cups plus 1 tablespoon of flour, and a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon allspice, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ginger. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until you can no longer see the flour. Now, instead of chilling the dough, you just get to roll it out. Woohoo! Roll it to 1/4 inch thickness. If you had the game, it worked out really well to trace the holes left in the cardboard from the game pieces. You can also trace the pieces and cut them out to use as stencils. You'll need 4 heads, 4 bodies, 8 arms, and 8 legs. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes. There will be extra dough, so you can either make another set of the gingerbread men, or you can make some regular gingerbread men too. You know what's great about these guys? They are made of gingerbread, so they don't need to be flooded with any royal icing. All we need to do is add their aggressive faces and details using royal icing. Each gingerbread man should have 6 parts. Outline each section with a brown royal icing to give the cookie some nice definition. Next, add the squiggles, as I fondly call them, on the arms, legs, and torsos. All 4 of the gingerbread men have different colors, but the same patterns for the body. Once you have the squiggles done, switch colors and do the little dots. The gingerbread men all have their fighting faces, but some also have some very colorful hair, so each one of the heads is unique. Now let them dry and they're ready for battle. Thanks for watching another episode of Board Game Bakes. I didn't wind up playtesting this one because when you actually play the game, the cookies move around a lot, and you don't want to eat one of the pieces, otherwise you'd definitely be down some points and luck. But if you really wanted to playtest it, you can always wrap them in saran wrap first. In the game, it's a real-time game, which isn't always my favorite style of games, but I really enjoyed all the energy everyone had at the table and how satisfying it was when you actually got to steal the pieces or block people from taking yours, so I'll definitely be playing it again. Thanks again, Smirk and Dagger, for sending me the game. What's your favorite holiday game? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're down there, hit subscribe. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!